Today we are unboxing the Crompton Primo I water pump. We purchased this from Amazon for 4,000 rupees. As of April, not April, this is the month of July. And it got delivered yesterday. So we are unboxing it. And this is what the box looks like. So this came in this box. You see the details. The MRP is shown like 5,475 rupees, and this is a BLDC water pump. And we are going to open the box. So inside the box we can first find the warranty manual, like warranty card, and then there is cardboard. Then there is a motor itself, the water pump, and we will slowly try to lift it up. This is a filter, I guess, for the pump. So that's it. This is all we get in the box. This filter, I think this goes here, and the pump from Crompton. Come closer. You can see the model written here. This is Primo I, and as I have checked in Amazon, this is a BLDC pump. And yeah. Yeah, there is also this handle to like lift up the pump easily. So come closer. So this is what the pump looks from all sides. Okay. We can also check the weight of the pump right now. So as you can see, this please show the weight. It weighs 6.1 kilos, this pump. So that's about it for the video. So any doubts regarding this pump, you can ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.